Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Okay, so unknown coefficients, or I would generally refer to it as equating coefficients. It's a handy old way of figuring out or solving certain parts of quadratics if you have one of the factors or something similar. So question 1 there asks if x plus a to be squared plus b equals x squared plus 8x plus 11 for all values of x, find the values of a comma b, an element of R. Okay, so this stems from if I have a quadratic 3x squared plus 6x plus 9, for example, I can say that is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and the only way, again, if you talk to mathematicians, they often describe that equals to sign as a balance, okay, where the left-hand side is balanced with the right. Okay, so the only way that that left-hand side could be balanced with the right is if that a value matches the 3, okay, and if the b value here has to be 6, and if this plus c out here is 9, okay? So that is the only way that that equation can be equal or balanced. A on the right-hand side must also be 3, B on the right-hand side must also be 6, and C on the right-hand side must equal 9. Okay, and it's that idea of balance that we use in equating coefficients. Okay, so what I would do here is I would multiply out x plus a by x plus a, and then I would tag on the plus b onto the end of it. Okay, so x by x, x squared, xa plus a squared plus b. Okay, let me just make sure I do that right. Yes, so I have x squared plus 2ax plus a squared plus b. Okay, and the question is saying that that left-hand side must equal x squared plus 8x plus 11. Okay, so when I say equating coefficients, I mean that value in front of x squared that I have here must equal the value in front of x squared there. Okay, so what I would write down is x squared equals x squared. Okay, and when that happens, you've kind of got confidence in your answer a little bit. Okay, because now we've got the x squareds to match. Okay, the other thing that I'd write down is that 2a must be equal to the 8. Okay, so what am I doing there? I'm equating the coefficients of the x. Okay, so you can write down, if you wish, 2ax is equal to 8x, and then just cancel out. Just do it in a different color. Cancel out the x's, so that you have 2a being equal to 8. Divide by the number in front of the letter, and a is 4. Okay, and then in the same way, you know that this c over here is the numbers. Okay, so a squared plus b are the numbers. And you see, it's perfectly okay to have more than one term when you're equating coefficients. So now you know what a is. So you have 4 squared plus b being equal to 11. 4 squared is 16 plus b is equal to 11. B is equal to 11 minus 16. B is equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 minus 5. Okay, so in this one, a is 4, b is equal to minus 5. Okay, And obviously, if you put that into this equation, that's what I'm doing here in my head, you should get x squared plus 8x plus 11. Okay, so for 4s are 16 minus the 5 does indeed give me the 11. So you can always check your answer. Okay, now let's do another one of them. Sorry, I encroached on the space of the other one, so I'm just going to rub this one off a bit. It is on the recording. Okay, so again, equate coefficients. So I have x plus p squared minus q being equal to x squared minus 4x minus 10. Square the first, square the second, twice the product of the two, minus the q equals x squared minus 4x minus 10. Okay, so let's equate the coefficients. X squared is equal to x squared. That's great. Okay. I have 2px. Okay, I just swapped around it. So the x was at the end being equal to minus 4x. Let's cancel the x's. 2p is equal to minus 4. P will be equal to minus 2. Okay, and then I have p squared minus q being equal to minus 10. I have minus 2 squared minus q being equal to minus 10. Minus 2 squared is 4, minus q being equal to minus 10. Minus q is equal to minus 10 minus 4. Minus q is equal to minus 14. Q is equal to 14.
If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.